Garvey Life 5x3 garden storage shed. This is a blue color, comes in 3 different colors. Kind of just walk you around. I just put this together in my garage. It is lightweight, so I'll be able to pick this up with my wife and move this into its final location in the yard. But it's 5 feet by 3 feet deep, okay? It's got one door. This is the door right here. Definitely snug, okay? The interior space is what you'd expect. I mean, from a 5x3, you can see it doesn't have a floor. You have some spaces here. So now, the reason why I got this was this will be good for my garden tools. So maybe not things that have motors and things like that, but like shovels and all that garden stuff that, you just want to keep out the elements. You want to keep the rain off of it. All right, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna put basically some rock down, pebble, rocks, and then I'll put this on top of it and stake it down to the ground. I will show you the roof. I like the roof line. This will keep any snow or any rain from getting inside there. I don't know, there is about 300 screws to put this thing together, but all you need to put this together is a screwdriver. I'd really recommend something like this because there is just a ton of screws. You can see them all here. You got to put the door together. The package, it came in about a 5 foot tall by 3 foot wide and maybe about that wide box, So, it was very compact. And I think it's a nice looking shed. I guess it's personal preference, but yeah, this is the shed. Definitely lightweight, so it can easily movable, So yeah, super excited. The door does lock. And when you put this thing together, make sure you wear gloves. I did cut myself. Very sharp edges. See, that's how you close it up. All right, so that is the 5x3 Garvey Life shed.